Well, hello everyone and welcome to new video. Now I'm gonna show you the easiest way how you can check for updates on your Windows or how you can update your Windows 10, 11 or Windows 7. So let's go together, we're gonna do it. This is not the only way, but it is the fastest one. Let's go to start, let's go to settings, and now let's go for update and security, and in this panel Windows Update there is a button check for updates. I need you to press that button, check for update, and now if update is available you can easily download it and install and restart your PC, your computer, your netbook, laptop or whatever. As you can see, I'm up to date. I don't have any updates that I need to install. So that's it. It is very simple. As I said, this is not the only way, but it is the fastest one. And you can easily check for updates here and download that restart PC. So it's that easy as I said. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching me in the future. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.